Our new wheels are in, and we also bought a new vehicle. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping in, go down below, hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Today's video, we're going to go over how I built this table. Our new wheels are in, and I'm going to also go over, kind of give you guys like a new garage tour, clean things up, as well as some build plans for the 4th gen, the 2nd gen, and we also bought a new vehicle, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Forever, man. Let's go. Come on. It's forever. No surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. Go. And there will be no surrender. Now allow me to reintroduce myself. They call me J.O. N to the easy E-N. Know that we undefeated. Y'all are beneath them speeches trying to air a grievance. But his lines are overhead. Better check the air for clearance. Call the tower. This is ours. Clear the heat. The air apparent. Really, I've never been better. Legacy, this is forever. All the more times I've been severed. I'm raising the bar. You can go ahead and measure. Think about time for a toast. Time that we welcome to go. Yo, we're just leaving. I think about time that somebody go get them that coat. You know I got all that anthem. Come back in. What you call that add-on? Got anthems and bands with masters. Getting them right like my name was Miranda. I ain't bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. One more time. This is forever. Remember the legend. He never will die. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Dead than alive. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. Just making sure that you know why. Because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. Yeah. Come on, here we go. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. I am just leaving a legacy. I am the one that they paid to see. Got something to say to me, say. You know I've been waiting so patiently. This is my legacy. Y'all don't believe me, then wait and see. Basically, I have been running things. You can just go on and take a seat. Yeah. Love when they hated me, put that on everything. Not on my level. You could be the enemy. This is the plan that we showing them anyway. Hit up the lawyers and give them the NDA. Woo. This is the brand new. This is the brand new. Nothing you can do. Nothing you can't do. And there ain't no thing that you'll be taking from me, man. That came from nothing. Made it something. Name is buzzing. Call me Ryan Gosling. Hey, gon' know that they gonna love me more when I'm gonna retire the throne. The kind of things that I'm gonna be feeling like a god. Because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. Yeah. Come on, here we go. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Bigger dead than alive. I ain't bigger dead than alive. Dead than alive. Yeah.
So like you guys just saw a quick little time lapse of me throwing together a shop table. I used mostly wood that I had laying around here, the 3/4 inch plywood I got for free from Kenzie's friend. And then I ended up having the 1/2 inch plywood laying around too, a couple extra trees from work. The 2x4s, I had enough laying around. I picked up, I think, 2 extras. And then also I picked up 2 4x4 posts, which the 4x4 posts are super expensive. And then I got 4 casters, which those are 25 bucks a piece. So I got like 150 bucks into the table. Not including the wood I had laying around, so maybe like $300 because lumber prices right now are insane. I mean, 1/2 inch ply right now is 55 bucks a sheet where I'm at. Let me know in the comments down below how much is that where you guys are at, depending on the area. I know in California wood prices are really high, but they're pretty much high everywhere. But anyways, I'm blabbing at this point. So I ended up painting the front of this and throwing a sticker on it, and then I painted over it. It didn't come out the way I wanted to, but that's okay. It's just a shop table. The top of the plywood here are little warp innings. I put this 2x4 on very last because I painted it. And then I had to put some more screws in it. Then I used some glue and some sawdust from the wood I cut. And then when I sand it down, it doesn't look terrible. It's just like a knot in the wood, as you guys can see all along here. But anyways, yeah, now I got a shop table. It moves around, it's mobile, it's super awesome. I'm super excited to have it. It'll be great for doing things like this and also having a good workspace. It would have been awesome to have when I was doing the headliner, which the headliner's sitting over there. I got plastic up because when I was sanding all this down, I didn't want to get a bunch of dust on it, which that will be going back in the 2nd gen here probably in 2 videos from now, because next video is going to be the new vehicle that we picked up, which let me know in the comments down below what you guys think we got. add them to the collection. That's all I'm gonna say. But I got the paint for the, yeah, she's not too excited about it, but that's okay. It's a vehicle I really wanted, and I've been wanting for a while, and I think the build's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be complete frame off, and we're gonna do everything ourselves. The only thing we're not gonna do is mount and balance tires, because I don't have a tire machine yet. Once we move, that's something I'll be adding as well to my collection. Which right now, as you guys can see, I started cleaning up the garage here. I moved all this stuff over here because we got a new toolbox, which you guys will see in the next video. I'll go over all that and everything. But kind of get everything cleaned up. I got all the wheels over here. So we got the 26x16s from second gen right here. The new wheels for the Fortune right here, which you guys will see in a second. The headliner's sitting right over here. We got some other parts which we won't show you yet for the Fortune. We got the paint right here for the second gen. I got the paint to paint all the plastics and everything, so that'll be 2 videos from now. You guys will see that. I'll get that in the truck all wired up. Kind of getting this stuff organized over here. This is going to end up going to the other shop. Got the welder over there. Haven't organized this shelf yet, but we're getting there. We are making progress. Alright, but as you guys can see, it's a lot cleaner in here. There's a lot more space in here. Over there was crowded since I did the wheels. It kind of just took over, and then we had Remy. Things got hectic, and I hope you guys understand. Life's just been crazy. I've been trying to film as much as possible, but just know that there's a lot of projects coming. I'm lining a lot of things up. I'm ordering a lot of tools, parts. There's stuff coming in for multiple vehicles. I'm lining stuff up for the new vehicle, as well as getting stuff lined up for the new lift. We got a new lift coming for the Fortune. It's been ordered for, I don't know, a month and a half now, something like that. But it's not just your cookie cutter lift that you're gonna get from, you know, rough country or zone or something like that. It's something a little more special and a little cooler. I'm really excited about it.
A little more tasteful.
Yeah, more tasteful. It's gonna be sick, but not too gaudy. Like, I'm not going crazy gaudy. Not gonna be insane. The whole purpose of the Fortune is gonna be practical, daily driver, but also be able to go off road, have fun, and be reliable. So just know that I'm not gonna make it gaudy. It's not gonna have huge wheels on it, anything like that. So we're going more practical with that build. I think you guys are gonna like it as well. But let me know in the comments down below what size lift you guys think I went with. It's not something I've done before. I'm super excited about it, and we're gonna do it all ourselves. So from now on, my whole goal this year, 2022 coming into it, is going out of my comfort zone. I know I'm talking a lot here, but stay with me because there's a lot of things going on because I haven't uploaded. I've been doing a lot of stuff in the shadows here, so just bear with me for a minute. But my whole route I'm going for 2022, I don't do like yearly goals or whatever the heck they call them, but this year I really want to step out of my comfort zone and do stuff I'm not normally doing or comfortable doing. Kind of like the headliner. It was really challenging. Wasn't looking forward to doing it, but I really wanted one, and I wasn't going to pay to have one, and I just did it, and it didn't come out perfect, but I learned from it, which I'll apply those to when I do the Fortune, and it challenged me, but it came out awesome. I'm super proud of myself, and thanks to my awesome wife for her help and everything. But that's my goal this year, is step out of the comfort zone and just do everything, and not be afraid to try new stuff. But enough talking, sorry about the rambling, just wanted to update you guys. New wheels are here from TIS Wheels, which getting these delivered was a fun fiasco. All 3 other wheels that I've had delivered were from FedEx, and then one of them was from Diamond something deliveries, whatever. They call you, they set up a delivery schedule so you know you're home, because you don't want your freaking nice fancy wheels sitting outside on your front porch. And they never called me or anything, and they just delivered them. Kenzie was home with Remy and couldn't obviously pick them up herself to bring them inside, and the guy didn't care, he just dropped them off. And the boxes that they were in, these boxes were inside another box, got completely crushed, and it was raining out. Anyways, I ended up having to rush home, get them inside, but yeah. So these are our TIS wheels. Huge shout out to TIS again for hooking us up on a set of wheels for the Fortune. They also sent out a set of 26x16s for the second gen. Those are the 547 B, because they're just straight black. No, I think they're gloss. Yeah, gloss black on those ones. And these guys right here, I'll show you guys in a second, but make sure to check them out, tiswheels.com, and it's also TIS on Instagram. I'll put it up on the screen here, as well in the description if you guys want to go give them a follow. I opened this one up just to make sure, like I did in the last set, that we didn't get anything damaged or anything, but, ooh, no, there's always a cover on them. Get you excited for nothing. These suckers are heavy. Not as heavy as 26s. Oh, grandpa. You probably just softened the back though, huh? Yeah, nothing crazy. Alright, so, can you see them? Okay. Alright, so let me move this box.
The wife's actually like messing with it.
Okay, good. Alright, so these wheels, right now, because of the whole fiasco going on, I'm not going to say because I don't want to get demonetized or have some stupid algorithm problem. But anyways, the whole problem going on in the world right now, wheels are super hard to come by. I mean, honestly, anything's hard to come by. I was trying to find something for a project I have coming up, and I went to 2 different Home Depots trying to find it, and none of them had it. But that's besides the point. Wheels, hard to come by. 14 wides, even harder to come by. So, different setup normally, and this is like a different wheel than I probably normally would have picked, but I actually really like them. Kenzie really likes them.
I picked them out.
Yeah, I let Kenzie pick them out because we're doing this Fortune build together, and
It's the family.
Yeah, family vehicle, and we're kind of building it together and everything. But yeah, I think they look really good. I'm super excited for them. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I don't know what I'm doing here, but let's get these suckers popped off.
4th gen's the Dadmobile.
Yes, it's full and it's better than a minivan, so which you'll never catch me driving one of them suckers, or even riding one of them.
Driving.
No. All right, here we go.
We just need powder coated all black. We didn't really get a choice. That was another thing. Yeah, I don't think we mentioned that. If we wanted these wheels with this offset, they only had it in milled. And I personally really do not like milled at all. But it was this or like nothing good.
Alright guys, so these are the 548 BM, which is obviously the black milled. I like the gloss black, all gloss black look, because I personally don't like the milled look, because it's, I don't know, 2000s, you know, back when people were running 20s for fun.
Yeah.
Now, these are 24 by 12s as well. Negative 44 offset, forgot to mention that. But I feel like 22s are like the new 20s, and 37s are the new 35s, because everyone's running 37s these days. Yeah, so you got pretty wide there. Nice little lip on, nothing crazy. Like I said, it's going to be a daily driver, as well as going off-road and everything, so I don't want anything crazy, nothing gaudy. And we're going to end up painting these, we're going to end up powder coating these all black, and doing something a little special to them, which you guys will see in an upcoming upload. But we're going to get these sandblasted. Some people say you can powder coat over a new powder coat, but I would rather just get them sandblasted and powder coat them fresh. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys heard anything about that. This center cap is plastic, so I'm gonna have to paint that. You won't be able to powder coat that, obviously. But these are the new wheels for the Fortune. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of them. I wasn't too sure of them at first. Kenzie really liked them, so I said let's go with them.
Not the milled.
Not the milled, obviously we're over the milled look. But now that they're here and I'm looking at them, and I looked at them earlier, I really do like them. A lot of attention to detail here in the middle. It looks really cool, but we're gonna get rid of that and make it all one color. Do something a little different to it, like I said before. But I know today wasn't a crazy long video. I've been super busy cleaning stuff up, getting stuff organized, like I said, doing stuff in the shadows, and not really being able to upload because I've been so busy doing other stuff, trying to take care of other stuff, and finally had time to clean stuff up. Do this, yes.
Oh, hey, you can see it better.
But next video, we will be picking up some new wheels. Some new wheels.
I was about to say we are?
No.
Excuse me,
Okay.
what?
No. I have been on Facebook Marketplace way too much lately. I need to stay off. But anyways, in next video, we'll be picking up a new vehicle. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think I picked up. It is sitting over here. I haven't done anything to it yet. I'm going to wait to film that when I first wash. Everything will go through what was left in the vehicle. Everything in next video. Actually, no, next video, we'll just be picking it up. The video after that, will be the headliner. The video after that, we'll do a first wash and all that stuff. Tons of content coming, so won't be shy on the content at all. Lots of stuff going on, lots of parts here, lots of parts on the way. Lots of talking in this video, which I'm sorry about, but I just wanted to update you guys with everything going on. All the changes, there'll be a lot. I'll be more consistent going forward. But yeah, lots of content coming up. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go down below, hit the subscribe button. Make sure to check out tiswheels.com. Check them out on Instagram too. I'll put their links down below in the description if you guys want to follow them. And we'll see you in the next video. These are nice.
I was about to say we are.
No.
Excuse me,
Okay.
what?
No. I've been.
He really's been doing shit
I have
in the
been
shadows.
Facebook. This little time lapse of me throwing the shop together. Show all that.